Hi guys, today I will explain how to use Google Authenticator. This process is really simple and easy, but before going any further, let me tell you the benefit of using Google Authenticator. The benefit of Google Authenticator is it will make your account more secure. If your desired application have a feature of enabling two-step verification, because with the help of Authenticator, you can add two-step verification. So first, let's download this application. The method is for both Android and for iOS devices is same. Open the Apple Store or Google Store and at the bottom tap on the option search. And at the top you have to search for Google Authenticator. On the second number you will see the desired application. Click on it and install this Authenticator from here. I already do all these things. Before tapping on the option open, let me tell you one thing. It's the protection of Authenticator. The next screen will not be shown because I am recording it. So that's why when I will tap on the option open, then the next screen will turn into black. So before opening it, I will open my Binance because I want to enable two-factor authentication in my Binance application. So that's why I am opening it. My Binance application has been opened. So I am going to my profile by clicking on the option which is on the left top. And here I will click on my profile. And on the second number, you can see the option security. Click on it. And here is the Authenticator app. Click on it. And tap on the option enable. I need to copy this 16-digit key. And I need to paste it in my Authenticator. So let me copy it. Now this has been copied. Now I will open the Authenticator. As I told you, once the Authenticator will be open, the next screen will turn into black. So I am opening my Authenticator. And I think the screen will be black. You don't have to worry, just follow my step. Take a look at the bottom, you will see the option plus. Click on it. And here you have to tap on the option enter a setup key. Here you have to write the account name. Just for securing myself, I will write Binance because I am turning on two-factor authentication in my Binance. And on the second number, I need to paste the key which I copied from Binance. And type of key will be time-based. It's the best because it will change with the time. And the last thing is click on the option add. Now let's go back to Binance. And here I need to paste the authenticator code. So I am going back to my Authenticator. The code is, and then click on the option submit. And as you can see, the two-factor authentication has been verified. And by using this method, you can use Google Authenticator for securing your account.